Have you ever wondered what truly lies beyond the material world? Do you feel a deep calling to ascend, to transform, to unlock the hidden knowledge of the universe and tap into your higher self? Today, we're about to reveal a profound truth, a secret that has been kept from humanity for millennia. This is the video you need to watch if you are ready for a transformation like no other. In this video, we're going to take you through the 12 stages from Hue-Man to God, explaining the intricate journey that leads to enlightenment, higher consciousness, and divine understanding. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more transformative videos like this one. Now, let's begin as we uncover these sacred truths that have been hidden from most of humanity. Why this is the only video you need. There are countless teachings on the internet, and many talk about spirituality, ascension, and enlightenment. However, most of them only scratch the surface. They often fail to provide the complete picture. What we're going to explore today is a path that integrates the ancient wisdom of the past with modern understanding. This video will provide you with the knowledge to understand your true essence, the forces that shape your reality, and how you can ascend through the stages to unlock your highest potential. The journey from Hue-Man to God is not just a spiritual transformation, it's an intellectual, emotional, and physical one. It is the merging of the infinite and the finite, the known and the unknown, the mundane and the divine. Every step, every stage, holds a key to unlocking your true potential. You won't find this depth of understanding in any other video. This is the secret you've been waiting for, the source and the void. The journey begins at the very origin of existence, the source. The source is the infinite, eternal energy that gives rise to everything that is and ever will be. It is formless, limitless, and beyond human comprehension. But before creation, there was only the void. The void is the space of nothingness, a place where no thing exists, and yet everything has the potential to come into being. The void is not a place of darkness, but of infinite potential. From the void emerges the source, which emanates energy, consciousness, and life. These primal energies are the first step on the path of ascension. It's from this space that the 12 stages begin, each one unfolding from the pure consciousness of the source into a more complex, individuated form of being. As you begin your journey, understanding the source and the void is essential. Recognizing that you come from nothingness, an essence that is pure and untainted, empowers you to transcend limitations of this material world. The higher domains, 12th to 8th. In the higher realms, we move beyond the physical world and into the regions of the spirit, intellect, and higher consciousness. These realms exist beyond the material plane, where matter is less dense, and pure energy and consciousness reign. 12th realm. The 12th realm is a state of infinite unity and harmony. This is the realm of the highest consciousness, where all knowledge exists as one. At this stage, individuals transcend individual thought and experience. There is only oneness with all things, and pure, universal truth prevails. 11th realm. The 11th realm deals with the formless energies of creation. It is here that thought forms begin to take shape, and consciousness starts its journey of self-awareness. 10th realm. This realm is where the divine blueprint of all beings is formed. It is where souls are first created, and the foundational energies that drive their evolution begin to take shape. 9th to 8th realms. In these realms, the divine forces of order, balance, and harmony manifest. Here, the foundational structure of the universe is formed, and the divine laws that govern reality are put into place. These higher domains are crucial for understanding the origin of the soul and the higher consciousness that leads to divinity. The higher realms are about the return to wholeness, where dualities are reconciled and one experiences unity with the divine. As we ascend through these stages, we begin to shed the illusions of separation and approach the ultimate realization of oneness. The middle realms, 7th to 4th. As we move into the middle realms, we enter the stage of individuated consciousness. This is the space where souls gain their unique characteristics, and the journey of self-discovery truly begins. These realms are about growth, learning, and expanding the soul's understanding. 7th realm. The 7th realm is where personal transformation begins. It is the stage where the soul undergoes its first lessons in learning, development, and adaptation. This is the realm where you start to shape your individual essence and begin understanding your purpose. 6th realm. At this stage, the soul begins to master its emotions and mind. It is where emotional intelligence begins to develop and the soul begins to align with its higher self. Fourth realms. These realms are about conscious awareness, mindfulness, and spiritual expansion. They represent the early stages of realizing your divine potential and understanding the power of the mind in shaping reality. These middle realms are a critical stage in the process of ascension because they offer a space for the soul to experience growth and challenge. They are essential for overcoming inner conflict and gaining mastery over one's own consciousness. The lower realms, third to first. The lower realms represent the material plane, where density is the greatest, and where souls are most likely to forget their divine nature. These realms can be seen as the realms of limitation, illusion, and separation. Third realm. The third realm is the physical plane, where matter is dense and the soul experiences the human condition. It is here that we experience dualities such as life and death, good and evil, light and darkness. This is the realm where the illusion of separation is most deeply felt. Second realm. The second realm is the astral plane, where the soul can still influence the material world, but is not yet free of physical constraints. This realm is where many souls go after physical death, experiencing different dimensions of consciousness before fully ascending. First realm. The first realm is the densest level of existence, the most material. It is the realm of the physical body, where consciousness experiences the densest and most challenging aspects of reality. Though the lower realms are where the journey begins in the human experience, they are also the final stages to overcome before full ascension into higher consciousness. It is here that the soul must confront its limitations, heal wounds, and break free from the chains of material existence. Connecting the realms through the silver cord and the abyss. The silver cord is the metaphysical connection that ties the soul to the physical body and the higher realms of consciousness. It is through this cord that the soul can travel between different dimensions, experiencing various realms of existence. The abyss represents the boundary between the lower and higher realms. It is a space that must be crossed during ascension. To pass through the abyss, the soul must let go of all attachment to the physical realm, ego, and material desires. It is the ultimate test of trust in the divine process. The process of ascension and the matrix. Ascension is the process of transcending the physical and mental limitations of the lower realms. It is a process of awakening to your true divine nature. As you ascend, you begin to recognize that the physical world is not the ultimate reality, but a reflection of higher, more subtle energies. The matrix represents the illusionary systems that keep us trapped in a cycle of limitation. It is the false reality that distracts us from our divine path. Breaking free from the matrix involves transcending the ego, rejecting societal conditioning, and embracing a higher, more holistic way of living. Synthesizing the knowledge. As you move through these 12 stages, you must synthesize the knowledge gained at each level. The process of ascension involves integrating all the lessons from each realm, allowing them to shape your being. Only through synthesis can you attain a true understanding of your divine nature. The journey from Hue-Man to God is a path of profound transformation. As you ascend, you shed your ego, your fears, your attachments, and your illusions. What remains is your true essence, an infinite divine being capable of creation, healing, and enlightenment. The 12 stages from Hue-Man to God represent the journey of the soul, a journey that transcends time, space, and matter. By understanding these stages and integrating them into your life, you can begin your own path of ascension, breaking free from the limitations of the material world and stepping into the divine potential that is your birthright. If you are ready to start your own journey, hit that subscribe button and join us on this transformative path. Until next time, stay enlightened.